Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching material cost. Economic order quantity, part A, basic EOQ. So let us start with question number 1. For direct material XXX, the following details are available. So in the given table, the cost elements are given. Average inventory level is given as rupees 200. Orders per year is given as rupees 40. Average daily demand is given as rupees 48. Working days per year is given as rupees 250. Annual ordering cost is given as rupees 4000 and annual carrying cost is given as rupees 6000. Determine the annual demand, the cost of placing an order, the annual carrying cost of one unit and the economic order quantity. So let us start with the solution. We know that A stands for annual demand, which is equal to, so in the given question, average daily demand is given and working days per year is given, which will be used to calculate annual demand, that is annual purchase. So daily demand into days per year, which will be equal to, daily demand is given as rupees 48. So we'll write it rupees 48 into days per year, which is rupees 250, which will be equal to 12,000. Next, CA, which stands for cost of placing an order. So in the given question, annual ordering cost is given as rupees 4000 and orders per year is given as rupees 40. So we'll record it, which is equal to ordering cost divided by orders, which will be equal to, ordering cost is 4000 divided by orders, which is rupees 40, which will be equal to rupees 100 per order. Next is CI, which stands for carrying cost per unit per annum. So in the given question, annual carrying cost is given as rupees 6000 and average inventory level is given as rupees 200. So we have to divide this for calculating CI, that is carrying cost per unit per annum, which will be equal to carrying cost divided by average inventory, which will be equal to, carrying cost is given as 6000 and average inventory is given as 200, which will be equal to rupees 30 per unit per annum. So now we'll calculate EOQ. So the formula for EOQ is under root 2ACA divided by CI. So EOQ is equal to under root 2 into A, which is 12,000, into CA, which is 100 per order, divided by CI, which is rupees 30 per unit per annum, which will be equal to 283 units. So the EOQ units is equal to 283 units.